You get the picture but without the frame.
Hey guys, it's the girl Taylor back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so we're going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and we're going to just fill in everywhere. I know my eyebrows are pretty thick already, but for those who are just watching just because yeah, just fill in your eyebrows, create an arch you want, and create the shape you want. And my eyebrows are pretty dark. They're like black, as you can see, but I like to use chocolate, so to each his own. So you're just going to take your spoolie, whatever brush, whatever for your eyebrows, and just blend everything out so it won't be looking blocky. So you're going to get your concealer brush. It can be any kind of flat brush or round brush, but after that you're going to get your concealer and you're going to outline your eyebrows. After you get the shape and look you want, you're going to blend it all out, and I like to use a blended brush. Some people like to use a beauty blender. It's up to you. So next, I'm just going to repeat that step and do the same to the next eyebrow.
Digits on the beat.
Yes, I know, right here I completely like missed the arch of my eyebrows. It's really hard because I didn't have a mirror. Like, it's hard to look in the mirror and make sure y'all see as well. So I kind of missed it, but it's okay because your girl caught it and your girl fixed it. So next, I'm just going to put on the foundation just under my, like, on my nose. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay. Y'all, obviously, I don't know what I'm talking about. So, thank you guys for watching, and peace.